The immune system. Broken down so you can see that it's not as difficult as it may seem. We've got two main branches with some key properties, so come on, have a seat, buckle up, follow me. Innate is non-specific, it has no memory, it responds to foreign bodies immediately. Its functions are antiviral and inflammatory. It also destroys pathogens and debris. In innate immunity, there are several types of cells. The first one is polymorphonuclear neutrophils. They make up the majority of blood leukocytes. Their developmental origins the same as monocytes. Next on the list we have mononuclear phagocytes. In the blood they're referred to as monocytes. When they move from blood to tissue they are known as macrophages, which have increased longevity and last for ages. Next on the list we have diseased dendritic cells. They process antigen material which they give to T cells. Natural killer cells recognize infected and stressed cells. They secrete IF and gamma that tells macrophages to kill. Natural killer cells are part of innate immunity but are similar to cells that work adaptively. Adaptive is the other branch, has great memory, takes time to develop but responds specifically. Break it down one step further. Adaptive branches into cell-mediated and humoral. Cell-mediated is controlled by T cells, which mature in the thymus by the T you couldn't tell. T cells include 3 CDs. The first one's made up of CD4 plus the helper Ts. For helper T cells, there are two types. Type 1s interact with mononuclear phagocytes. Type 2s interact with the other class of lymphocytes. They chill with B cells and help them divide. Cytotoxic T cells, known as CD8 plus TC, are known for their cytotoxicity. They destroy host cells infected intracellularly with viruses and other microbiological disease. Last but not least, we have CD4 plus TREG, which inhibit immune responses and self-harm on the reg. With antibodies, B cells control the humoral branch. Extracellular pathogens don't stand a chance. When B cells bind to antigens specifically, they multiply as plasma cells and secrete antibodies. So now that we've broken down immunity, you can see it's not as difficult as it appears to be.